Hello everyone, welcome back to the 5 Best. In today's video, we will be checking out the top 5 best mini projectors you can buy in 2023. I have made this list based on buyers' suggestions, opinions, and hours of research. I also listed them based on price, features, and durability. The era of mobilization is at its peak, and people are looking to have everything in the palm of their hands. Projectors are great devices for all visual activities like watching a movie or videos, and mini projectors are miniature versions that will allow you to enjoy your favorite show on the go. In this video, you will find our recommendations on the best mini projectors that best fit your entertainment and professional needs. As always, our goal here is to create an exciting shopping guide so that our subscribers and viewers can make the best decisions when buying these products. If you are new to this channel, welcome to the 5 Best, where we explore the best technology gadgets on the market and help you make the right purchasing decision based on your specific requirements. The links to all the products mentioned in this video are available, and we will show them in the description below. Make sure to click the subscribe icon to stay up to date on information and content. Also, hit the notification bell icon so that you never miss a video. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. DB Power Native. The DB Power Native features how mini projectors should work. Handy and wireless. It gets rid of needless adapters and wires, which means you can connect your devices like phones or tablets, whether Apple or Android products, through a Wi-Fi smartphone, synchronize screen technology, and enjoy the huge screen immediately. In terms of entertainment, nothing is better than great video quality projected nearly as clearly as it is on your device. The DB Power Native supports a 1080p resolution, giving you a bright large screen and clear picture. The screen can be as small as 40 inches or as large as 300 inches, depending on your preference. When using traditional projectors, we usually try to move them farther away or nearer to adjust to the screen size. However, this product's 4-point keystone correction function eliminates the need for manual movement. Doing work presentations? DB Power Native has a USB hub that you can directly stick into your flash drives for PowerPoint, Word, Excel, or PDF presentations. A downside of mini projectors like this one, however, is that the wireless projection from your mobile devices doesn't support Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Hulu projection due to HDCP copyright. Also, it is recommended to use this product only for small conferences and home cinemas, rather than large audience presentations. Toptrow TR23. If you want a mini projector that doesn't look like a mini projector, Toptrow TR23 is your best choice. At first glance, Toptrow TR23 is one of the most aesthetic-looking mini projectors in the market, with its brown belt design and touchscreen controls located at the top of its body. Not only that, the TR23 is made with German coating technology to produce its amazing all-glass lens, allowing high light transmittance, high refractive index, and low dispersion characteristics. Simply put, your projected content through the all-glass lens is brighter and more colorful than any other 1080p mini projectors in the market. You can experience a better and more seamless entertainment viewing with the Toptrow TR23 with its ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi chip for wider coverage and faster transmission speed. It also supports a 5.0 Bluetooth version, making connecting to your soundbars, speakers, and headphones fast and easy. However, the device itself is already packed with a virtual 360-degree surround sound. This device supports wireless screen mirroring for Android, Apple, and Windows devices at projection sizes as small as 50 inches to as large as 300 inches. The Toptrow TR23 supports HDMI, USB, AV, and audio out interface, which you can use to connect TV sticks for when you can't directly project Netflix and other streaming apps, as well as Chromecast, PC, laptops, speakers, and game consoles. Other connectivity modes for the Toptrow TR23 include TV boxes, Chromecast, PCs, game consoles, DVD players, and card readers. What's more, Toptrow TR23 is dust-proof with its sealed lens, cover design, and light source, which means your device is protected and is in tip-top shape for longer because exposure to dust causes brightness and color problems when they accumulate in the lens and the machine. DB Power RD821. Another mini projector from the DB Power line on our list is the DB Power RD821. With 7,000 lumens in light output, images and videos from DB Power RD821 are clearer and brighter by 60% compared to other mini projectors. This device produces 1080p quality videos and can shrink the screen size from 100% to 50% without moving the projector, so you can get the best screen size for your needs at a projection distance of 4 feet to 19.6 feet. It is compatible with both Android and iOS devices, so you can watch your favorite shows on the big projected screen through projection and screen mirroring. Remember, however, that like many other projectors of this kind, copyright issues don't allow the mirroring of protected videos like those from Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime. No extra speakers? Don't fret, because the RD821 is equipped with 3-watt dual stereo speakers. All these features will consume a lot of power and generate heat, but RD821 is protected by an innovative system and heat dispersion that will cool down your device even with hours of use. A purchase of DB Power RD821 also comes with a customized carrying case, so your device is well sealed and protected. Alvar 9000. Next on the list is Alvar Bluetooth projector, specifically Alvar 9000. Why 9000? Because this Alvar mini projector boasts 9,000 lumens of light output, a 4.3 aspect ratio, and 10,000 to 1 high contrast, which means your videos are brighter and clearer than ever with 1080p video quality. Its upgraded 5.1 Bluetooth and hi-fi stereo speakers give you fast connections with all your Bluetooth devices, like speakers, headsets, and mobile phones. The Alvar mini projector is equipped with self-adapting 2.4G and 5G mirroring modes, mirroring your content to your projector with no additional wires. The 5G mode transmits 125 megabytes per second, so there are no delays in your projection, and your shows are transmitted in real time. Copyright issues also prevent Alvar mini projector from projecting copyright videos from Netflix and other streaming sites, so using a TV stick is your best choice to watch Netflix movies with your mini projector. The Alvar 9000 includes multiple ports including HDMI, VGA, AV, USB, TF, and a 3.5mm audio out port. This device is compatible with all TV sticks, as well as game consoles like Xbox, laptops and PCs, speakers, Chromecast, USB drives, and DVD players. Mini projectors are perfect for entertainment activities like camping nights, sleepovers, or excursions, so the handier they are, the better. To make your viewing experience even better with Alvar, you get a bag case and a tripod so your mini projector can easily be mounted on any surface, wherever you are, at no additional cost. Elophos. Elophos W13 is an excellent treat for mini projector lovers, most especially for those who own an iPhone. Most mini projectors rely on Wi-Fi connections to mirror and project content. Elophos does too, with its up-to-date Wi-Fi connection compatible with Android, Apple, and Windows. While wireless support systems are great, Elophos gives you a leeway to use wired connections when all wireless connections fail. Because, admit it or not, sometimes even the best tech out there fails. Elophos allows for a direct projection of iPhone content through its original cable line. There's no need to buy additional expensive cables for this option. Visuals-wise, Elophos projects a full HD 1080p input with 24-bit true color support to a maximum screen capacity of 200 inches. We recommend a 6 to 10 foot distance from the projection for maximum enjoyment of the projected screen. The Elophos mini projector includes a built-in speaker and noise reduction technology. This gives you not only the ultimate visual experience, but provides original audio fidelity with your videos. This smart technology surely does take up a lot of power, but the noise reduction technology helps the machine keep up with its operations without disturbing your viewing experience. This device includes multiple ports for VGA, USB, HDMI, AV, and audio, and is compatible with various TV sticks like Roku and Amazon. It also supports Chromecast connections, external speakers, PS4 and Xbox computers, and DVD players. And that would be all for today's top 5 best mini projectors you can buy in 2023. For more mind-blowing videos of technology, gadgets, and electronics, subscribe to this channel, like and share with friends, and we will see you in the next video.